Every day is becoming harder to grab customers' attention since we are exposed to thousands of advertisements in a single day. But this lecture will elaborate the most efficient ways to grab people's attention when you're trying to effectively sell your products or services. People have different needs and motivations to buy, so you have to focus on how that particular thing that you offer can fulfill their needs, and you must convince them that your offer actually fulfills their needs and desires more than any product or service on the market that is offered at least for the same price. Everything people do is based on their emotions. This includes the buying process too. That's why intangible benefits are the key to persuasion. People make decisions based on their emotions and then they justify their actions logically. When people say they are going to buy something because it has more logic, actually they have invested more emotions on that product or service. So after they bought it, they try to justify their purchase logically. People have a variety of emotions, but a strong emotion at the right time is decisive. Therefore, as much as you focus on delivering strong emotions during your campaigns, as more chances you will have to get more sales. So what you should do is appeal first to emotions and then back it up with logic. Most purchases begin with a desire to feel a specific emotion. People buy expensive cars because they want to feel like a hot shot. People buy expensive clothes because they want to feel young and attractive. They buy real estate in neighborhoods that they can barely afford just to feel rich and feel that they belong to an upper class in society. If you know how your customer wants to feel, start by appealing to that emotion, whether through the selection of stories you share or the experience you create, and you'll be one step forward to making more sales. Once a buyer makes the emotional connection, then move to the next step. Justify the purchase with logic. In the case of expensive cars, emphasize factors like fuel efficiency, reliability, safety ratings, and so forth. To justify real estate purchases, use factors like good schools around the neighborhood, properties that retain their value, facts like safety, and so forth. Thus, immediately follow your emotional appeal with data and benefits that can help justify their point of view, and give your customers reasons to feel that their emotional urge to buy is a smart one. Why you must focus on giving strong emotions while you're presenting your products or services or while you're doing your campaigns. When you arouse strong emotions to the customer, you will incite so much the desire for taking your offer as the concern for the price will become insignificant. When dealing with buying process, people's psychology is structured in such a manner that as much as you arouse strong emotions, by that much you will reduce rationality. Almost everyone has something of histrionic personality. Whether we like it or not, this is a psychological need, and the excessive need for others' approval no one can neglect. People love others' attention and admiration. People need to be accepted, or even have prestige or a higher status than others. People need to be complimented on things that they have. Thus, being able to demonstrate this effect with your product, you can touch this deep need and you can incite the desire for buying your products or services. As a result, you need to tell people how your product or services increase such admiration. The reason that would make people pay the most is the desire for self-transformation. If you make your customer understand that your product or service will transform them to a new level, like better health, upgraded specific skills, new level of lifestyle, or physical appearance, they will be ready to pay unlimited amounts of money. Examples of self-transformation services or products can be, for example, surgical operations that will bring you to a new level of physical appearance. Teaching courses would upgrade customers' skills and knowledge, or diet products that will transform your lifestyle or your health. So being able to position your products or services as self-transformation offers will immensely increase your customers' attention and your sales. Look to others for guidance. especially when we are unsure for something. We think, what do others think about this? How do they feel? What do they do? Then we act accordingly. There are several ways to demonstrate social proof. For example, testimonials like customers' actual name and photograph and quoting their opinion about your business can help build trust. Or, for example, displaying numbers associated with your business, whether it's 1,000 happy customers or 10,000 people subscribe to your newsletter, also helps you to increase your credibility. If you want your business to have a more impact on customers' behavior, you have to act in a socially responsible manner. Donate to charities and promote your business as environmentally green business while informing your target market of your actions. This can include planting trees or donating to charity for every sale. Follow me on the next lecture to find out how big companies created artificial needs.